Hello everyone. So today we're going to learn something very interesting. Okay, it's in chapter 1 of the BIM book. Okay, we're going to learn a lot of things. Let's start. Okay, what are we going to learn today? We're going to learn what's a project. Okay, what is project management? Okay, what's a BIM book? Okay, we're going to learn what's the different project life cycle. What's a project life cycle? Project management processes. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay. What is a project? When somebody tells you, John, what is a project? When I think about project, what comes in your head? Okay, so we're going to talk about project. What is project? You know, we don't have this. This is a preparation course on PMB. Okay, Project Management Professional Exam. Okay, so what is a project? When you think about project, what does project management? What is the meaning of project? Project is something, okay, it is an activity. Project is anything. Okay, project is an activity which is used to produce some deliverable. I call it output. Okay, so every project, okay, should produce a product. Okay, this output is called what? Deliverable. Okay, any problem? No problem. So what is a project? A project is an activity or is an endeavor which is used to produce a unique what? Output, unique deliverable. Deliverable can be in the form of three parts. Okay, what can it be? Can be in the form of product, service, or result. Okay, John calls them PSR. Okay, in the form of product, service, result. So for every project, so what's a project? Just fast. Okay, a project is a temporary endeavor. Temporary means what? There are a couple of important terms you need to understand. What is temporary? Temporary means what? Something which has a beginning and end. Okay, so what's a project? A project is a temporary endeavor. Beginning, can we say start? And can we say finish? So a project is a temporary endeavor. Temporary endeavor means what? A temporary activity which has a start and an end, a start and a finish, which is used to produce an output. The output is in the form of a deliverable. It should be unique, not done before. Okay, in the form of product, service, or result. Hope this much is clear. Okay, for every project, okay, for every project you have something called as an objective. Okay, objective is something what I call it as your vision. What is an objective? Objective is your vision. It is the purpose why I did this project. Why? It's like your wish. Okay, so we have somebody called as a project manager. A project manager is a person who is assigned to this project. Okay, and his role, one of the main role of a project manager. What is the one of the main roles of project manager? To make sure, okay, every output or every deliverable, okay, aligns with the organization strategy. That means what? Every deliverable, okay, every product, whichever the project is producing, okay, should be always aligned to this guy. Who? Vision. Vision means objective. Hope this much is clear. Okay, so what we studied so far. What's a project? A project, we finished. What's a project? A project is what? It is something temporary. Temporary means what? Which has a start and finish, which is used to produce a unique deliverable in the form of product, service, result. Hope this much is clear. Okay, so now we finished this part of the question. What's a project? Now we're going to join this too. Okay, what is a project management? Okay, let me just rub this. Let me just pause it and rub it. Okay, we're back. Okay, now we're going to talk something on the second thing. What is project? Okay, project management. We're talking about this guy. Okay, what is project management? When you think about project management, what comes in your head? Okay, I'm going to talk about something very easy, interesting. Okay, then I'm going to give you the explanation of what is the meaning of project management. Okay, if I give you the definition, I believe, in my opinion, that you will not understand anything. Let me give you an example, a story, and then things will be easy. Okay, how do we start? Okay, let's assume that I get up at around 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 a.m. Okay, 6 to 6:10 I get up. Okay, this is the alarm time. Can I call this phase 1? Okay, after phase 1, what do I do? This is like, I get up, I turn off the alarm, okay, etc. Okay, phase 2 was from 6:10 to 6:15. What do? I go and brush my teeth and the toilet business. Okay, 6:15. Okay, to let's say 6:35. Okay, I do some exercising. So phase 1, phase 3. Okay, from 6:35 to let's say 6:45, I do shower. I have a shower. I call this phase 4. Similarly, from 6:45 to 6:55, okay, I have breakfast and I'm ready for work. Breakfast. Okay, from 6:55 to 7:10 I dress up, I'm in my car. Okay, and from 7:10 to 8 a.m. I must reach my office. Okay, so can we consider these? Let's say this is phase 5, phase 6 and phase 7. Okay, can I consider this set of activities a project? So can I say phase 1? Let me just try to do this. So my total project, okay, my project is phase 1 plus phase 2 plus phase 7. Okay, isn't it? Okay. So can I call them activities? Phase 1, phase 2. Okay. So far excellent. Okay, each phase have couple of activities, isn't it? Okay, let's suppose, okay, this is my project, okay, and this is my start of the project. My project starts at 6 a.m. okay, and it gets over at 8 a.m. finish. Okay, this much is clear. What did I tell just a couple of minutes back? A project is something which is temporary, which has a beginning and end. Okay, fine. Project starts, project ends. So this one condition is over. Clear. Right. And for every project, okay, you have something like this. It's called a triple constraint. Okay, STC. Scope, time, cost. Okay, see, if suppose my project, okay, this is called a time driven project, isn't it? From 6 to 8 I have to finish my work. I have to be ready for the reach office 8 a.m. okay, let's suppose, okay, for some reason, sometimes there's something called as laziness. Okay, I did not get up at 6 o'clock. Let's say I got up at 6:10. I said, okay, it doesn't matter, John, everything is going to be delayed. So I have to reach at 8 a.m. So actually this becomes 6:20, because I got up late by 10 minutes. Everything delays. You cannot reach office at 8:10 because then my manager will be like, steaming. Isn't it? So what I think, I will cut this. What is this? Activity. So if I have to change something, I have to change something. Always, that's why it's called the iron triangle. Okay, what is the iron triangle? The scope triangle. If the scope increases, your time will increase. Sure, cost also will increase, isn't it? Similarly, if you reduce the time, you will have to cut that scope and cost, isn't it? Okay, hope this much is clear. So now I cut breakfast. I didn't have a good breakfast at home, so what do? I'm hungry, so what I will do is I have to take additional cash. I have to buy lunch, breakfast in the office or in the cafeteria, isn't it? I hope this is clear. So what is project management? It is the application. It is the application. Let me just change this color of the. It is the application of what? It's the application of the knowledge, tools and technique to project activities. Okay, project activities. So you can meet project specification or requirements. So actually, let me just tell you one thing. Okay, see, now this is my project, isn't it? I have to reach at 8 o'clock, isn't it? I used my common sense. I saw in my budget I have extra cash. So what I did, I said, okay, it doesn't matter, let me just delete this, the breakfast. Okay, so I have this 10-minute slot which has already been used by this, isn't it? So then I reach on time 8 a.m. Hope this much is clear. What is project management? It is the application of the knowledge, the tools and the techniques to your project activities. Actually, these tools and techniques, okay, tools and techniques, okay, they are called actually, project management processes. Project management processes. Hope this much is clear. So what's project? What's project management? This is clear. This is the application of the knowledge, tools and techniques, okay, to a project activities in order to meet specification, in order to be on time, in order to complete your scope, complete scope, in order to be on budget. Hope this much is clear. Okay, let's consider this part 1. Okay, in part 2 I'll explain about what is PMBOK, what's the project life cycle, and project management processes group. Hope everybody enjoyed this video, and I think let's see each other in the next class. Okay, take care and have a nice day. Bye.